Hello student, I welcome you all in today's session. In today's session, we will discuss few activities based on vocabulary. These activities are completely based on the chapter that we finished titled Science and Spirituality. So without making any kind of delay, we will start these activity. Now the first activity is that arrange the following words in alphabetical order. Now, what is meant by the alphabetical order? You already know. Generally, the words in the dictionary they are arranged in alphabetical order. You know the word beginning with the A, all are arranged first, then B, C in this order. Similarly, here certain words are given there. Few words we can see now here, and we have to arrange them in alphabetical order. This question or this type of questions you might have already attempted, so therefore I don't think that it is too difficult activity, so you can complete this activity at home. Second activity we have to complete there, that few words are given here, right? Few words are given and we have to write down the noun forms of these words from the lesson. So for this purpose you have to read the chapter, and after reading the chapter you have to find out the given words noun form. For example, combine word is given there. Combine is a verb and combination it's a noun form, so you have to check combination this word in the chapter. Similarly, the second word which is given there, solve. Solve is also one verb and it's a noun form, it's a solution. So you have to read the chapter and in the chapter you have to find that where the solution word is occurring there. Similarly, now the two examples I have solved for you, I have given you the answer. Now remain example or remain words noun form you have to find out from the textbook. The third activity that we are going to consider here is now match the word connector with the reference to the part 1, 2, 3 respectively and make sentence of each of these connector we have to find now. So for this also we have to read the textbook, we have to read the chapter, and then we will be able to find out the word and their connectors. So first we will see now how to solve this activity. I am giving you the way, or I am going to show you the way how to solve. Now the first word is given there, government. In the chapter we have to find out government, along with the government which word occurred in the chapter along with the government. So here you will find along with the government you will find official, this word is also occurred there. So therefore government official, these two words will come together and they will form. So we can say official is connected with the government, and by using these two words we can make sentences like government official predicted that it would be impossible to relocate so many people. Similarly, the second word which is given here, betterment of. Betterment of, we have to find out word. Betterment of, we have to find out one word which is close to the betterment. So from the given words in the connector category. So we will see now the for the betterment of humanity is one word given there, humanity. So humanity and betterment of, these two words come together in the chapter, and therefore we can say betterment of humanity. Humanity will become the connector for the betterment, and therefore we have to match in this way. After this one we can also see now the third one is a pure and ethical. Now, pure and ethical is one term is there, but with this word, which connector appear in the chapter? That is pure and ethical life is there. So, life is the connector with the pure and ethical. So, we have to form by using these two words. So, example we can form, or the sentence we can form by using these words. We can remove impurities in our soul by living pure and ethical life. And in this way we have to solve the remain examples. So I hope you will have no difficulty in finding out the given words with their connector. You have to join them with the connector, and you have to use both the words and connector together in the sentence. I hope you understood this activity based on the vocabulary, and you will complete the given assignment. Thank you.